This is how I fly FPV drones today. But it hasn't always been like this. In this video I'm gonna show you how I learned the basics of flying FPV drones and how you can do it just by using your phone. Also, we will see how you can practice with any wireless controller and turn your phone into FPV goggles for a very reasonable price. Let's roll the intro. Hi everyone, I'm Andrés Araújo and welcome to a brand new FPV Drones beginner tutorial. If you don't know what FPV drones are, well, I don't know why you clicked on this video, but basically FPV drones are a new trend in the filmmaking industry, and this is changing the way drones are used to film. Because you can get a very different perspective and some amazing shots that you wouldn't be able to get with a regular drone like a DJI Mavic or a Phantom. But learning to fly these FPV drones can be tricky, time-consuming and expensive. Normally, you will have to buy at least a dedicated controller, batteries, a simulator, then goggles, and eventually your first drone. And if you're just starting out, you don't want to spend a lot of money and then realize that maybe this is not for you, or you don't like it, or you don't have the time to practice. So I want to share with you my process on learning to fly FPV drones, and everything started with just my phone. I'm using an iPhone and everything on this video is going to be only for iOS. Sorry Android users, but I still have a recommendation for you. So for you guys using Android, go to the Play Store and download a game called Freerider, and basically you can get a very similar experience and learn the basics of controlling an FPV drone with just your phone. But from here, everything I will talk about will be only for iOS. Recently, DJI announced their DJI FPV Drone, which is a little bit pricey in my opinion, starting at $1,299 for the combo with the goggles and the controller. And they also released their own simulator or game for iOS that you can download for free without having to buy the DJI FPV Drone, controller and goggles. So this could be a good way to just get into the experience of controlling an FPV drone, but just by using your fingers on your iPhone or your iPad screen. But this is not enough to get a real experience and practice. And it's also more difficult in my opinion because you don't have the same feeling and sensibility while touching the screen with your fingers as if you were using real sticks from a controller. But they were smart enough to give you the option to practice better when you buy the DJI FPV combo. So you can use their controller, their goggles and the simulator together and practice as if you were actually flying the real FPV DJI drone. But hey, you would be spending $1,300 and that's not cheap if you're just starting out. So I came up with a very affordable solution to get almost the same experience as DJI offers with goggles, controller and a simulator, and that's what I want to share with you today. So let's go to the App Store and download this game called Drone on my phone. It is free, but you will have to pay a couple of bucks later to get the most out of it, but I promise it's completely worth it. Once you download it, you can go to challenges and start practicing with each one of the basic skills. From hovering and holding your drone in one place, basic movements, and then try your first FPV fly, which is challenge number 6 I think. You can do all of them just with your phone and your fingers, same as in the DJI simulator. I recommend you to complete the 12 basic skills challenges and stop there. Don't practice in the next map which says games, because at this point you should take a step ahead and get into the real FPV experience with this hack. So what if I told you that you can use any Bluetooth controller that maybe you already have if you have a gaming console like an Xbox or a PlayStation, or any Bluetooth controller that you can pair with your phone, and you can practice with it and use it as a real FPV controller. It's pretty easy. I'm using my PS4 controller, and what you have to do is just press the center PlayStation button and the share button for a few seconds until the backlight starts blinking. Once we have our controller in pairing mode, let's go to the Bluetooth settings in our iPhone and connect the wireless controller to the phone. Let's go back to the game, and now I have full control of the game with our wireless controller. This is gonna make our flying experience more similar to a real FPV drone flight. But, short disclaimer, flying with a console controller is never gonna be the same as flying with a dedicated FPV controller. Because of simple reason, and it is that the throttle, I mean the left stick in this PS4 controller for example, is always centered, so if you're not touching it, it will come back to the center position. Whereas in a dedicated FPV controller, this left stick will be always like loose. It will stay in the position that you leave it vertically when you're not touching it, and this could affect the way you get used to fly. So just be aware that this is going to be different when you take the next step and fly a real FPV drone. But hey, we're just learning the basics and this is a perfect way to do it. But there is more. Flying FPV drones is also about the experience of being like immersed inside the drone, like if you are in the air actually flying because of the goggles. You feel every movement and it's quite difficult to describe, but I think this is one of the best things about FPV and this is why people get addicted to this hobby. But I have a budget option for you. This game allows you to split the screen in two and convert your phone into FPV goggles very easily. The only thing that you will need is any kind of virtual reality or VR goggles like these ones that you can find for as low as $12 or cheaper maybe. I've had these goggles in storage for a long time ago. I got these actually for free when I bought my DJI Mavic Air like 3 years ago in a bundle and never really found a use for them until now. I will leave links for these goggles and similar in the description below and also for some wireless controllers for your phone. So to use them we first need to have our wireless controller and our phone connected and then put the phone inside the goggles like this. Put them on and now I will press R1 in my controller and right now the screen is split and I can see almost the same way that I do when I'm flying my real FPV drone. That is insane and I'm just using my phone, a pair of cheap goggles and a wireless controller from my PS4. So you can do it too with any wireless gaming controller and a pair of goggles like this and the simulator and practice all day if you want. But you remember I told you that you will need to spend a couple of bucks on the game? Well, this is because the add-ons inside the app. And what are these add-ons? The first one is the advanced controller and this is crucial. Why? Well, in real FPV drones there are two main modes to fly. The one that we have been practicing is called stabilized mode. The drone will never flip even if you move your sticks all the way forward or to one side, the drone is going to level itself again. So this is kind of similar to a normal DJI drone. It will come back to a stable position and you will not be able to do flips and rolls or some of the tricks like diving from a building or from a waterfall because the drone will not allow you to do that movement. And then we have ACRO mode, and this is the way you should fly FPV drones. With this mode you have complete control of your quad, the sticks are more sensitive and of course it's way more difficult to fly than stabilized mode. But this is the way all the pro FPV pilots fly and achieve all these amazing videos that we watch over the internet. So when you buy the advanced controller in the game, you unlock ACRO mode and also you're gonna be able to set your controller as you want, change the rates and all the different settings that will allow you to customize the way your drone flies. This add-on costs you around $2 I think, and also I recommend to buy the maps bundle because yeah, you can practice in the first map, which is kind of a parking garage. But it's too small and you wouldn't be able to practice altitude flying, flips and rolls and more tricks. So for another $2 you can get 2 extra maps that will take your practice to the next level. Once we have our advanced controller with the 2 new maps, our wireless controller connected and our cheap goggles, let's start with the real practice. I will select the stadium map challenge number 1 and make sure you're flying in ACRO mode. Adjust your camera tilt, the more degrees the faster your drone will fly. Mine is set at 40 degrees, that's a personal preference so I can fly faster. And now we are ready to improve our skills. I actually enjoy flying in this simulator. It's like flying my real FPV drone outside but without any risks. And that's everything I wanted to show you in this video. Let me know what you think about this way to get into FPV and learn the basics of flying. As I said before, this is never gonna be the same as flying a real FPV drone and go outside and crash it, and it's a different experience. But it's a good way to start without taking any risks and without spending a lot of money. Like this video if it was useful for you. Subscribe for more content like this and catch me on Instagram if you want to follow my journey with FPV drones. I want to make a series of videos here on YouTube about FPV, so let me know if that's something you would like to see on this channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.